We got a new member, bitch boy Damien.
Bitch boy, I love it.
Dude, Brandon.
Is it loaded?
Now it is.
Oh. Alright, hide it for when he comes. Nigga, shoot him.
Oh, you good, you good.
Let me show you something.
Oh, what's up, guys? Here's a new video. We got a special guest here, a couple special guests. We got Daniel the Demon, Brandon the Fresh Guy, you guys know this guy. We got Kevin the Fresca, and we got Big Bitch Damien over here. So we're gonna be here and gonna shoot some soccer balls once again. And yeah, join along. Here we go. Upper V. Damn it. This guy right here, this guy, one time fucked a girl on the soccer campus, soccer field. Nah. Oh, set up, Kevin. Look, this all comes in the package right here. He takes a shot with the right, down the center. Sometimes we gotta shoot down the center. Brandon's shooting it from over there, but it's most likely gonna come to me or go over. See, we don't teach none of that stuff here. Oh shit, he hit it? My bad. All right, so right now, we're gonna do a crossbar challenge. The guy with the most shots, the most hits on the crossbar, gets to pop every single one of us. Brandon's gonna fucking blow this. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, dude. Fuck! Oh, you're getting popped. Well, Brandon hit nil. You're good to go, Daniel. Let's see, how many do you think you're gonna get? Call it right now. How many are you gonna get? One, he's getting one. Nice, good start. Great start. Good start. Oh my God. Bro. Oh, nah, that did not touch. That did not touch. Go shag, pussy. Dude, you guys are both getting popped. If no one hits and only one person hits, you guys all get hit. Oh shit, with the chancla. Oh my God.
You know what? I think.
Go, pussy. Go. Oh shit! Fucking hell. Go.
Wait, I didn't think I could do any worse because they got none, but that actually was worse. That actually was worse.
It's alright, you can make it up by hitting one.
Oh, that's close.
Jesus, bro. You've been watching football too much. Go shag, bitch. Gosh, these guys suck. Wait till I go. I like, right now, we're going by who's the closest at this point. Alright, Kevin actually played pro once, semi-pro. Nah, he never did. Brandon? Alright, we're kind of in the way. Move, Brandon. Jesus, we blocked like his first two shots. Alright, God, I'm gonna have to come in clutch. Dude, if, oh my gosh. Go shag, bitch. Alright, well,
pretty close.
I guess the champ's gonna have to come through and just, how many you guys want?
5 out of 5, bro.
5 out of 5?
5 out of 5.
I'll give you 4 out of 5. I'll give you 4 out of 5. Don't trip, I like fucked up balls. Here we go. You're an asshole. All right, that didn't count. Yeah, I get an extra shot.
You're not hitting shit.
I'm hitting one, there it is. There it is.
I'm hitting one, there it is.
There it is. That's hit, that hit post. I know this sounds planned, but of course I won. So, 3 balls, tiebreaker? All right, these guys want a tiebreaker.
And keep in mind,
That was trash.
I'm trying my best.
That should be half one.
Yeah, half. So if I get even and
You get your
away,
handicap.
then it's one. Then
Yeah.
it's one. Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't have cleats. All you guys have cleats. But I have
Fuck,
sandal
dude.
and my running shoes.
You're Mexican as fuck, bro.
Now, if I was Mexican as fuck, I'd have cleats.
That's true. That's true. Then that's your Salvadorian side. He's poor. He's poor. All right. So since these guys suck, we're gonna do out of 3 for them because they didn't hit once. So now, so Brandon's about to just fucking blow this. Go, Brandon. If you let this guy beat you, who hasn't played in 5 years. Oh my God.
Damn.
There we go. Wow. Jesus. Nil. Nil. The demon in him is about to come out. Ooh. That's all you need, but see, 3 out of 3, bro. You don't have to.
If I pass math though, I take.
Hey, 3 out of 3. You don't give me the $100, bro. The 90. Oh, let's go. Daniel owes me $100 because he lost yesterday. I bet him that Messi wouldn't score a free kick, and he did. Daniel's about to give me 100 if Messi strokes this.
Fuck!
Damn. Sorry, Daniel.
Hey, I have the most right now.
Hey, you do. You do.
Oh,
Wow.
Brandon, you're the worst right now.
Jesus.
Oh no, that's the worst so far I've seen.
Oh
was
my
good.
gosh.
Oh no,
You guys are ass, dude. You guys all play soccer, dude. All right, out of 2 shots. I got 58 seconds. Let's make this quick, guys. Oh my God. Go, go, go. Oh my God. You guys are ass,
At
dude.
least it was on target.
You guys are ass. Fuck that. Me and Daniel are popping you guys.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Brandon, it was.
Brandon lost a crossbar challenge, so he's gonna get a fucking paintball gun to the ass.
2 steps back.
2 steps back. This is not gonna hit.
Man, shut up. Turn around.
Go, bro. Put your legs together. On 3. 1.
Oh, why is Brandon so thick?
Oh, I wasn't recording. You gotta do it over. You gotta do it over.
That shit hurt.
Yo.
That shit hurting.
My shot now.
Fuck.
All right, Brandon.
No, just 1 shot.
All right. How did that feel, Brandon?
Just leave it there. Hey, you gotta be better at the crossbar challenge. If not, you're gonna get fucked up. What's up? You just saw. Get over here, Brandon. You're the vlogger, bro. It's your vlog. You just saw fucking the homie Blondie over here get fucking popped. Show him that. Then we gotta clean that off. All right, so we're just gonna do first to miss, get shot in the ass. This is for all viewers. I was getting shot today. That's how it's done. Come on, let's get you. Hasn't played in 3 years?
Yeah. No cleats. No cleats. My running shoes. All right, Brandon. Oh, again. Hey, honestly, you should have done shit. That was going over either way.
You know which way you're gonna go. Watch. I'll do the same thing.
Oh! Hey, get the paintball gun again.
Oh! Kevin.
Oh!
Hey, Brandon, get up there, bro.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Wow.
Nah, stay there, I missed.
Guess I gotta be a good cousin and take me for the PK spot now. Or the 18. That shit hurt. Fucking hell, that shit hurt. You can see I just shot myself right on that fucking. You can see the red spot. Dude, that shit bruised up right away. Holy fuck.
That shit hurts, huh?
Yeah, that shit hurt. That shit's bruised already. Yeah, that was a good shot.
Well, that's what we're all aiming for, right? Like, I'm the only one that can aim for real.
Why do I hang out with you idiots?
Fuck, you want to take a shot too or what?
Hell no.
Hey, you know what? Fuck,
Let me
you
see.
was in the video?
Fuck that, dude. Let's get the fuck out of here. Like I said, I've never fucking lost this thing before. I'm a beast. I can fly it pretty much. I can't see shit either. It needs more battery, dude. Fuck. Let's go charge it.
Why? Because it can't go high?
Yeah. We're gonna have to bring this back. Cut. We are back. Drone's fully charged. As I said before, I've never crashed this. Here we go. Look it. This thing is gonna go far. Imagine someone just shoots it down. It doesn't want to come back. It doesn't want to come back. Don't worry, guys. I got this all under control. Right over a car. Hey. Relax. You know why it doesn't want to come back? I have it on 40%. That doesn't count as a fail. What the hell? Whoops. I broke the window. I just fuck. I broke the window. Cut. Let's go inside before they get in trouble. You ready? Damn, this shit's hard. There's no battery on this shit. It doesn't want to go up. His neck's just gonna get stabbed. Did that hurt? Sorry. You wanna be famous, bro? This is what it takes. Go. This one's it. Why you get scared? Why you get scared? Hold up. I got it. Hey! Why'd you move? Go. Ah! Yeah! It died. It doesn't want to go no more. This shit's fucking dead. Let me see your neck?
No, we're good.
You're good?
I didn't hit my
Oh, by the way, you guys want to see my ass? Look at, can you see the bruise? Show them your calf, Brandon. Damn. That's the pain that we suffered.
Let me show you something.